Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our online class. So I am Teacher Chris, and today we are going to learn about English. So, are you ready? Let's start. Okay, so last time we learned about this one. So we learned the things which you can see on your screen. Okay, so we have the number one, a meat. Number two, a bat. Number three, a skateboard. Number four, a helmet. Number five, a tennis ball. Number six, a tennis racket. Number seven, fishing rod. Number eight, a bucket. Again. Number one, a meat. Number two, a bat. Number three, a skateboard. Number four, a helmet. Number five, a tennis ball. Number six, a tennis racket. Number seven, a fishing rod. And number eight, a bucket. Okay, so we also learned about this. Okay. Look at the pictures very carefully. So the friends are doing something. Okay, so this is a conversation and you also did this one with our class. This is only a review, okay, of what you learned last time. Okay, so what are you doing? What are you going to do? So I'm going to go skateboarding. I have a skateboard and a helmet. Okay, so here is what the conversation consists of, or this is your sentence on how to start the conversation. So what are you going to do? Okay, I'm going to go skateboarding. So what things do you need to have, or what you have? I have a skateboard and a helmet. So when you are going to do skateboarding, you need a skateboard and a helmet. Okay? So the friends, number one, that is go skateboarding. Number two, play baseball. Number three, play tennis. And number four is go fishing. Okay, so we are going to try the conversation. Okay, now in this table, you will see what the activities that they are going to do. So the question is what to do, and then the second part of the table is what you need. So if you are doing this one, you need something, or you need the things that you will have to perform this kind of activity. Okay, so number one is go skateboarding. So when you are going to do skateboarding, you need a skateboard and helmet. Next is play baseball. So when you are going to do baseball, you will need a bat and a mitt. Next, play tennis. So when you are going to play tennis, you need a tennis ball and a tennis racket. When you are going to go fishing, you will need fishing rod and a bucket. Okay, so now let's try. What are you going to do? So number one, I am going to do skateboarding. What do you have? I have skateboard and helmet. Okay, now let's try the three of these. What are you going to do? Okay, I am going to do or to play baseball. What do you need? Or what do you have? I have skateboard. I have a bat and a mitt. Okay, next, this one. What are you going to do? I'm going to play tennis. What do you have? I have tennis ball and a tennis racket. Okay, now let's go to the last one. What are you going to do? I am going, or I will go to do fishing, or I am going fishing. Okay? What do you have? I have fishing rod and a bucket. Okay, so you can try this one at home. Okay, so you are just going only to change the activity that you are going to do, like for example skateboarding. Okay, and you need the skateboard and helmet. So if you are going to do the baseball, or if you are going to play the baseball, you need a bat and a mitt. You're going to play tennis, you need a tennis ball and a tennis racket. Then when you are going to go fishing, you need a fishing rod and a bucket. Okay, so let's go to the next one. So look at the pictures. Oh, look at the pictures very carefully. Okay, so number one, what do you think the children are doing in this picture? Okay, so we have the question here. So what's he going to do? Okay, then he's going to play baseball. That is number one. Okay, what is he going to do? He is going to go fishing. That is number three. What is he going to do? He is going to do skateboarding. Oh, this one, that's number two. And number four, what is he going to do? He is going to play tennis. Okay, again, let's try. So let's go to number one. What's he going to do? He is going to play baseball. Now, what does he need? Or what does he have? He has a bat and a mitt. So look at the boy. So he has a bat and a mitt. Number two, what's he going to do? He's going to do skateboarding. Now, what does he have? He has a bat and a mitt. No, he has a skateboard and a helmet. Okay, so because if you're going to play skateboarding, you need a skateboard and helmet. Okay, number three, what's he going to do? He's going to play or to go fishing. Okay. Now, what does he have? What does he have? Look at the picture. He has a fishing rod and a bucket. Okay. Number four, what's he going to do? He's going to play tennis. What does he have? He has a tennis racket and a tennis ball. Okay. So what you're going to do is to change only the activity that the picture is describing. Okay, so if he will go to play baseball, then he needs bat and a mitt. If he will go to do to go fishing, then he needs a fishing rod and a bucket. If he's going to play tennis, then he needs to have the tennis racket and the ball and the tennis ball. And if he's going to play baseball, obviously he needs to have the bat and a mitt. Okay, now let's proceed. So we have a chant. So I'm going to read a chant first, and then you will follow after me or after I read. Okay. What are you going to do after school? What are you going to do after school today? Are you going to play tennis with Gus? Are you going to do your homework with Sue today? Or are you going to eat pizza with us? I am not going to play after school today. I am not going to study with Sue. I am not going to do my homework today. I'm going to eat pizza with you. Again. What are you going to do after school? What are you going to do after school today? Are you going to play tennis with Gus? Are you going to do your homework with Sue today? Or are you going to eat pizza with us? I'm not going to play after school today. I'm not going to study with Sue. I'm not going to do my homework today. I'm going to eat pizza with you. Okay, so it's your turn to read the chant. Okay, so after school means if you finish your study. Okay, so this chant is all about what does his friend is going to do after school. Okay, so in the house, or if you have time, you can read this chant again, again, and again. Okay, so now let's go to our activity. Now open your workbook and answer this one. So turn your book on page 4. Okay, so this is Max, this is Ami, this is Mary, and this is Joe. Now, what you are going to do is to look at the picture and put a check. Okay, like for example, Max. Max has a meat and a bed, right? Okay, how about Ami? What does Ami have? Okay, you put a check on each table or in each column. So for example, this one is a skateboard. Okay, you put a check, and she has also a helmet. Okay, you put a check here also. And then you are going to do the uh, Ami, Mary, and Joe. Look at the pictures very carefully of what they have got. Okay, then after that, look and write. What is this? A meat. Okay, this one, what is this? This one, this one, this one, and this one. You can look at your student book for this. Okay, so that's all for today, and see you again next time.